Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to set up shipping on Shopify step by step. Whether you're running a new store or updating your shipping rules, this process is quick and simple. First, log into your Shopify admin account and open your dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Settings, then select Shipping and Delivery. Here you'll see all your shipping options, including general shipping rates, local delivery, and pickup. Under the Shipping section, click Manage to start setting up your rates. Next, choose the shipping profile you want to edit. You can use the default profile or create a new one for specific products. Now, add your shipping zones. These define the regions where you'll deliver your products. You can include countries, states, or custom areas depending on your business needs. Once your zones are ready, it's time to set your rates. You can choose a flat rate, set rates by weight or price, or connect a carrier service for real-time shipping costs. If you offer free shipping, just select Add Rate, name it Free Shipping, and set the cost to 0. After setting everything up, click Save to apply the changes. And that's it. You've successfully set up shipping on Shopify. Now your customers will see accurate shipping options at checkout. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.